how to transfer your playlist from another music service to Spotify for free. This tutorial shows you how to migrate your playlist from Apple Music, YouTube Music, or other platforms to Spotify. First, open your web browser on your Android device and search for a free playlist transfer service like SoundIs, Tune My Music, or Free Your Music. Next, tap on one of these websites to open the playlist transfer tool. Following that, you'll see options to connect your music streaming accounts. Now, tap on Add Source or Connect Service and select the platform you're transferring from, like Apple Music or YouTube Music. Moving forward, you'll be redirected to that music service to authorize the connection. Afterwards, log into your account and grant permission for the service to access your playlist. In addition to that, once connected, you'll see all your playlists from that platform displayed on the screen. Once there, select the playlist you want to transfer by tapping on it or checking the box next to it. Subsequently, you can select multiple playlists at once if you want to transfer more than one. Moreover, tap on Transfer or Convert to proceed to the destination selection. Afterwards, select Spotify from the list of available music services as your destination platform. Then you'll be redirected to Spotify to authorize the connection. Within this step, log into your Spotify account and grant the necessary permissions for the transfer service. Alternatively, if you're already logged into Spotify, simply tap Allow or Confirm to proceed. Once authorized, the service will begin transferring your playlist from the original platform to Spotify. Then wait for the transfer process to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on how many songs are in the playlist. Within your Spotify app, refresh your library, and the transferred playlist will appear in your playlist section. And that's it! If this playlist migration guide helped you move your music to Spotify easily, smash that like button, subscribe for more music streaming tutorials, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one!